Natural and home remedies for ovarian cancer. Cancer starts when cells in the body begin to grow out of control. Cells in nearly any part of the body can become cancer, and can spread to other areas of the body. To learn more about how cancers start and spread. Ovarian cancer begins in the ovaries. Ovaries are reproductive glands found only in females, women. The ovaries produce eggs, ova, for reproduction. The eggs travel through the fallopian tubes into the uterus where the fertilized egg implants and develops into a fetus. The ovaries are also the main source of the female hormones estrogen and progesterone. One ovary is on each side of the uterus. In the pelvis, ovaries are made up of three main kinds of cells. Each type of cell can develop into a different type of tumor. Epithelial tumors start from the cells that cover the outer surface of the ovary. Most ovarian tumors are epithelial cell tumors. Germ cell tumors start from the cells that produce the eggs, ova. Stromal tumors start from structural tissue cells that hold the ovary together and produce the female hormones estrogen and progesterone. Most of these tumors are benign, non-cancerous, and never spread beyond the ovary. Benign tumors can be treated by removing either the ovary or the part of the ovary that contains the tumor. Malignant, cancerous, or low malignant potential ovarian tumors can spread, metastasize, to other parts of the body and can be fatal. Their treatment is discussed later in this document. Ovarian cancer, a brief. Among the cancers affecting the female reproductive system, ovarian cancers have the highest frequency. When ovarian cancer is detected in its earliest stages, the survival rate is the best. Unfortunately, more than 80% cases are diagnosed at advanced stages, making survival rates very poor. Women undergoing vigorous ovarian cancer treatment experience symptoms such as bloating, backache, abnormal vaginal bleeding, indigestion, loss of appetite, fatigue, pelvic pain and weight changes. 1. Ginger. Good news is ginger kills cancer cells. Research has proven the fact that ginger eradicates abnormal ovarian cancer cells. Not only that, it can prevent the cancer from building resistance to treatment. Besides ovarian cancer, ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can prevent several cancers from developing in the body. Cancer patients are advised to take ginger on a daily basis, possibly 2 to 3 times a day. It can be taken as tea or in any other manner you prefer. Alternately, the crushed juice from ginger can be mixed with coconut or olive oil and massaged onto the abdominal area. 2. Green tea. Green tea has multiple benefits, one of which is slowing the progression of cancer. The antioxidants obtained from consuming green tea build the immune system, gearing up the body's defenses to fight the cancer better. A single cup of the refreshing drink causes apoptosis or cell death of ovarian cancer. Moreover, having 1 or more cups of green tea is preventative towards cancer. Those women falling under a high risk of developing ovarian cancer can take a proactive step and include green tea in their diet. 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are known to have an adverse effect on cancers. Researchers have found that mushrooms and their extracts inhibit cancer cell growth. Eastern herbal medicine also stands by these tested principles, as mushrooms were seen to benefit the health of cancer patients. Certain mushrooms like Ganoderma lucidum are particularly effective in treating ovarian cancer and help the body fight the disease better. Mushrooms also work along with radiation and chemotherapy by reducing the symptoms of cancer. Mostly, one can expect a turnabout in lowered resistance, anemia, bone marrow suppression and nausea. 4. Soy foods. Soy-based foods are an easy way to keep the cancer at bay. Ovarian cancer is also kept away if you include soybeans in your diet. A study conducted on Chinese women suffering from ovarian cancer showed that an everyday intake of soy food had an adverse effect on the cancer. Soy products, found in items such as soy milk and tofu, contain isoflavones. These components reduce stress that the body undergoes during radiation and chemotherapy. 5. Flax seed. Since ovarian cancer is the worst of all gynecological cancers, experts swear that flax seeds are the best preventative method. Women who ate flax seed considerably reduced their risk of developing the cancer, and cancerous growths were found to decrease in severity. Flax seed is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and phytoestrogen lignans. They help in preventing the cancer from further spreading to other organs. As the best vegetable source of these components, women can keep it high on their list of health foods. 6. Gingko. Gingko is a herb that has a very important role in DNA repair. It is one of the most natural and easy ways to ensure you reduce any possible risk of developing ovarian cancer. According to research, Gingko biloba had cancer preventive properties on ovarian epithelial cells having the BRCA1 gene mutation. The herb worked by acting on DNA repair, tumor suppression, and cell proliferation. Extracts from Gingko are also used in medicines for a variety of purposes including memory disorders, sexual disorders, and glaucoma. The Gingko biloba tree is one of the oldest species of trees in the world, with each tree living for as long as 1,000 years. 7. Sunlight. Sunlight is your daily dose of vitamin D. Popular research will stand by the fact that vitamin D deficiency is a pandemic that needs to be corrected. Apparently, women in the northern regions of the globe are more susceptible to ovarian cancer compared to those in the other regions. This is because sun exposure is a major source of vitamin D, which in turn plays a role in cancer prevention. Accordingly, ovarian cancer patients were found to have lower levels of the vitamin. Take frequent walks in low-intensity sunlight to absorb plenty of goodness from it. Women suffering from ovarian cancer symptoms would do well to gear up on vitamin D, as it also helps improve bone strength. 8. Peppermint tea. One of the symptoms of ovarian cancer is an upset stomach. To find a little relief from the nausea, have peppermint tea. Alternately, ginger tea is also a good option to ease the discomfort. Eating candy or gum can also sometimes help. 9. Water. Another major problem faced by ovarian cancer patients is diarrhea or constipation. To make the issue easier to handle, one needs to have proper intake of water. For those with diarrhea, taking small but frequent sips of water is necessary. On the other hand, constipation should be dealt with plenty of fluids. 10. Exercise. Mild exercise is necessary to manage the energy levels, as a woman undergoes a lot of stress due to ovarian cancer. Sleep problems are very common with this condition. For this reason, a daily exercise regimen coupled with regular sleep time helps to alleviate the symptoms naturally. For anyone at risk or those suffering from ovarian cancer, it is important to keep yourself stress-free. Have a balanced diet, get plenty of rest and surround yourself with caring people.